1970 Ford Mustang convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 302 V8 power underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. Also nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. And it does have a front disc brake upgrade. As we take a look at the front chrome of the bumper, bright work grille, see a chin spoiler down below. Calypso coral with the black striped hood, black vinyl top, black interior. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the car with the top up, top down, undersides, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. You can call us 507-386-1726. Newer wheels and tires, as well as new springs, shocks, control arm bushings. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. Nice car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. There are some imperfections in the paint in the back. You can see, where it's just kind of maybe a couple little dingers. Still has a nice shine to it. Looks nice, but just want to point out that it's not perfect. Again, a good one. Jump in, drive it, have some fun. Bucket seats. Center console was added for convenience. More of a retro sound style radio in there also. We'll get her out of the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. We're also going to put the top up, take a little closer look at that. Flat black wing in the back. Dual exhaust. Take a look at the chrome rear bumper. Newer gas cap. When we get underneath the hood too, you're going to see that it does have a 4-barrel carb. I believe it was aluminum intake as well as aluminum radiator headers. C4 trans has also been rebuilt, just so you know. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So take a look down the driver's side. Seat belts. Door panels. You can see seats aren't full of rips, tears, holes. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. And again, we're going to take a peek underneath the hood too. .302 cubic inch V8. Sounds like it's got a little bit of a cam to it too. It's just a little bit loby. Nothing wrong with that. I'll warm up a second here too. Try the radio for us. Working. Again, nice setup with this console and the cup holders. Give me an idea how it sounds. I'm going to slip up to the front too. Let's get this hood open, let it warm up just a bit. Take a look at that engine bay. There we got the hood open. As you can see, aluminum radiator has been added. Let it warm up a little bit. Electric choke. We're down at low idle now. Holley 4-barrel. Wide aluminum intake. Electronic ignition. Again, power steering, power brakes. The battery get disconnect here also once in storage, maybe in between drives. Smooth running 302. You can also see the headers here. get that hood closed up. I'll put the top up. Check out that top. Remember, stick around to the end of the video, and we'll take this car down the road, go for a little drive. You'll be able to see what that's like, kind of take a virtual ride, if you will. And here it is with the top up. So black vinyl top. Take a look at fit above windshield. Looks good there. Nice and tight. Appears to be a newer top. I did roll up the side glass. You can see how that fits. Looks good. Come around to the rear. No rips, tears, holes that I've seen so far. Let's take a look. Rear window, nice and clear. That works. And passenger side. Don't see any rips, tears, or holes over here either. So if you need it to keep you dry or maybe out of the sun, gonna work just fine. Side glass on this side. Looks good. And again, the vinyl doesn't appear to be that old. Looks like a newer convertible top. 1970 Ford Mustang convertible here at Unique Specialty Classics. Check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. 507-386-1726. Number to call. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1970 Ford Mustang. This is a convertible. We do have the top up today. This is an automatic right here on the center console. What would be the floor, there is a custom built center console, which looks pretty nice and has storage, cup holders. Acceleration is as you would expect. There's a little wind noise from the convertible top, as you would also expect in an older convertible. Our alternator gauge is showing right in the middle of the gauge. Temperature is about a quarter of the way up from cold. Fuel gauge is showing just under half. And oil pressure is showing about 2/3 of the way up, which is good numbers. We have a retro sound style radio in this dash.
Fastest parade of customs, prizes awarded.
Those always have very clear, nice sound. Factory looking vinyl bucket seats in this Mustang. They are comfortable. If I let go of the wheel, this car does stay straight in the lane. Our brakes are working well. Good look to this car with the orange and the black. Corners pretty well. Corners the way the 1970 Mustang should. Very comfortable, very easy to drive. 1970 Mustang, you don't see quite as often as you do other years. Very cool looking car. Take a look at uniqueclassiccars.com for the pictures and other information.